So we are so close to the end of the year with only a few weeks left, and I'd like to encourage you to start considering what next year looks like for you. Hi, my name's Amelia Abel from New Horizons Lifestyle. Now, as close as we are to the end of the year, it can get really easy to get caught up in all of the Christmas activities and holiday activities, and you do need to enjoy those things. But I'd like to encourage you to start thinking about what next year looks like for you and start setting yourself up and preparing for that. One question I have for you is, if you could shut the door on your past, on all your past failures, past mistakes, past anything, and look forward to your future with the knowledge that you have now, the wisdom you have now, and all the passions that you carry within you, what would your future be? What could you make it if you didn't have to carry the weight of all of those mistakes of the past? Well, let me tell you, you can do that. You can shut the door on all those past mistakes with a decision and allow those mistakes to be those things that build up your wisdom. So take all those mistakes, all those failures, and say, that is the start of my wisdom. I shut the door on the negativity of that. I open to the door to the wealth of wisdom I've gained from that. And with all that empowerment in me, my future looks great. And with all those passions within me, my future looks like whatever it looks like. You know, you can have a wonderful future, and sometimes, often, a simple decision will course correct you for the next 10 years, the rest of your life. And I really suggest that you take the time out to think about those things. Don't bring your past failures into the new year. Bring the wealth of wisdom that you've gained from them and start a whole new future with a whole new positive outlook. Because the passions in you, we need what you have. This world needs what you have. This world desperately needs what you have because it's unique and nobody else has it to share. So if you've got any questions on that, please contact me, click on the link below, and have a great day, guys.